Ugh, a video takes forever. That doesn't have to be the case. There are tons of ways to hack your productivity and cut down on all the things when it comes to creating video. Since I'm away on maternity leave right now, I wanted to bring on one of my favorite video biz buddies, the vlog boss herself, Amy Landino. She's a genius when it comes to all things vlogging and video, among other things. She has made well over 500 videos and has over 125,000 YouTube subscribers, so she's kind of a big deal, and she knows her shiz. We are lucky to have her here today sharing her expertise, so let's go take a listen and make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end because we have a special surprise to share with you.
Thank you so much, Holly. I appreciate you allowing me to be here to grace my face with your community. It's so nice. I appreciate it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Amy Landino. I'm at youtube.com/AmyTV. I hope you check it out. And today I want to share something that I know quite a bit about, and I know me and Holly have had a lot of conversations around this. Me and her, we're always trying to hack getting videos done and how you can do that. So today I want to talk about my 3 biggest tips for being a productive video creator and staying consistent with your content. My first tip is to keep that idea bank full, or at least with a few things written down. Holly does such a great job talking about the importance of a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy. And a part of that plan includes making sure that you actually have ideas to talk about in your videos. It's so easy to fall into the rut of, I don't know what to talk about, but you have to actually make the time to brainstorm, get to know what people want from you, take those frequently asked questions and turn them into fresh ideas. And if you don't have that list to refer to every time you make the time to make a video, you're really going to end up creating something that doesn't actually matter that much to people because you didn't put the proper research into place or play around with the wordsmithing of that title to make sure it's something people actually want to see, therefore click on and watch your content. If you're so new that you literally have no idea what to talk about, then you probably haven't done the legwork that you really should have at this point to understand who it is that you're trying to help. But if you do know who those people are and you understand the value that you have to present them, then go and find out what they're asking other people. Maybe you're not their expert yet, but you could be. That's what the internet is so nice for. You can go look at anyone's comments, you can look at search activity, you can look at trends, and you can really get an idea of where people's heads are at so that you can have some great ideas that may align with that and get you on their radar. My second tip is for you to use that calendar like a boss. If there's anything that has completely changed my life, it is making sure that I know exactly what I have to do all the time and actually scheduling the time to do it. I don't just schedule coffee appointments and phone calls. I schedule video making time. I schedule brainstorming time. I block that out. We talk about this so much on my channel. We have a lot of productivity and time-saving tips over there, but this really is the heart of it. If you don't realize that every single task on your list needs to have time associated with it, otherwise it's really just not going to get done, you won't get anything done. And so really understanding that and making sure that you use the calendar the way that will help you get into a productive state that is mind-blowing because most people just cannot seem to fathom it. That is really what it takes to be a consistent video creator. It's not a matter of if the video gets done. It's a matter of showing up for the appointment that is big enough to be on your calendar and therefore something you will make the time for. And my third tip for being a productive and consistent creator is know why you're doing this and measure the thing that is going to help you understand if you're getting there. ROI can take a lot of shapes for a lot of people. Maybe the important thing to you right now is YouTube subscribers. Okay, cool. Are you asking for them? Are you making that such a shining moment in your videos that people know that's the thing that you want them to do? Or are you just letting them guess? Is your ROI in the form of email subscribers? Great. Are you actually doing something to drive that activity from your viewers? No matter what it is that's going to help you measure whether you're getting closer to your goal or not, if you don't measure it, you can never find out if you're getting closer. And if you never have that validation that you got a little bit closer but not as much, you did really well one month and then not as good the next month, if you can't look at those metrics, you're never going to know you're really on the right track or not. And you need to know when both are happening so you can lean into the really, really great things that happen and get away from the things that are clearly not working. Simply throwing spaghetti against the wall to see what sticks and never actually checking to see how many of them stuck is a great way to get burnout and not keep up with this. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I hope that that was helpful for you as a video creator.
Those were amazing tips. I hope you were taking notes. If not, you need to go back and take another listen because this is pure gold. Amy has generously offered to give away a copy of her book, Vlog Like a Boss. This is good. You're gonna want a copy. Packed full of goodness. All you need to do is let us know in the comments what was your biggest takeaway or aha moment from this video, and then make sure you're subscribed to this channel and to Amy's channel, and we will be announcing a winner on Friday, so come back and check that out. And remember, you are someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.